actually get to some of the other stuff. So we've got the crop cloner, which doesn't matter what you do with it for an radius, because there is no thing to consider for it. So we'll just get our generator like so, and we'll... Oops, that's not what I wanted. And we'll just put it next to it, that'll work. You won't escape, so I'm not going to do that. So we'll accept some power from the side. And now we've got other things. So we've got input and output, yes, but we've got water tank and we've got fluid containers. So if we want to put in buckets or certain fluid cells or something like that, we can put them in there. We've got the fluid for water here as a necessity for what we want here. So for example, if I want some carrots, because I'm low on them, I can put that in there. And then I'll want some water, which I can just put a bunch of buckets in over and over, or if I connected up a tank, I could do that, which it does have its own, which do say work in progress, but they do work. You've got a multi one there. So I'll just put, say for example, this here, and we'll get a bunch of buckets. We'll just put our fluid in here. I think it visually shows it. And that's not just getting it itself. No, that is good. Okay. So this and this and this, you can kind of see it. But yeah, obviously 16 in the first tank here, 24, sorry, and then the second one is a multi 6, but obviously still up to 24, just along 4 slots. So that's just fluid containers and tank, and then we've got obviously each of the individual tanks for that. So let's see, and I'm getting nausea, so that's annoying because fatigue. Okay. So let's see, we'll just put this in here still, and we'll just have this accept from the top. Get water out, and then you accept it from both sides. I don't think I need pipes. I think I do. Maybe I need something like a flopper or a another type of thing. Let's see. I think. Yeah, I might have messed up because I forgot the in between. But either way, you get the idea. And you can also tell them that obviously you can't have both like this. You do need a pipe or something else. So yeah. But either way, we need a bit more power. So we'll put this in here. And it needs power and water to actually do things. And eventually it'll do what it can. I don't know if I'm able to... It's interesting, because you don't need all water to be ready, you just use what you need. So what's going on? Always active, that's just not got enough power to do anything. That's fine, we can change our generator out to something else. So we'll get another one, and we'll get another star, and that'll be easy because that'll just power up immediately. So we'll get energy from the side, and that'll be fine, and that'll significantly increase. And then yeah, but I'm pretty sure this is supposed to just clone crops. You don't need like 2 in there, I don't think. Nope, you can't even move anymore in there. It's focusing on it. So you get the 1 in there, and that's fine. It is supposed to just produce more, pretty much. It's using up the water though, but nothing's really happening. I don't have a hopper or anything else sending it elsewhere, or any other block picking it up, so I don't know what's going on. I do remember this working, because I have used it before in my own wood packs or other environments, so yeah. Interesting. It should work, but for some reason it just does not want to do it. And I'm pretty sure carrots do work. With wheat, we've got nothing. Seeds, we can... I think it just produces wheat or wheat seeds. I don't know why it's not doing that. I don't think the bush core changes anything either. But either way. So that's the crop cloner. Which is pretty much just, I guess you could say, like the photogenic infuser for thermal expansion. It grows things and eventually gets there. Oh, it's because it was still growing. That's why. There we go, now it's got it. Yeah, so that's there and that's there. I don't think you can bone meal it. I don't think. You cannot. Food containers. Yeah, you just need to have. You need to give it enough power and then it'll do things, but there's no bone meal support or anything either. Yeah, well, those are defeated or otherwise, that's fine. Let's see, we've got the farmer block. and we've got the crop farm. So we'll go here, for example, so we place this down. We've got the area like so, and we're going to want to put some seeds in. For example, this, we'll get some potatoes compared to the carrots that we're now cloning. Okay, and we can lock this as well if we want. So if we want any other resources of that type to be put there, we can. Let's see though, we'll lock that. And we'll need water. So obviously you need a fair amount of water in here. Being sent to it, and we'll just do that, so that's fine. And we'll get our generator. Yeah, we'll just get a bunch of nether star ones that'll make things really easy. So I need the one star, and then it'll be good to go. Cool. So there and there. So do its thing. And you don't need a tool either, I think. I don't think you need a hoe for this. We'll take a look just in case, though. I could be wrong, as I don't quite remember. Right. Okay, now it's doing it. There we go. And the grass is obviously annoying, so it'll probably prevent it, which I wasn't too sure. Now I know that it does. Okay. We'll get rid of that. And then we'll fill this in. So it is using the durability from the hoe. I don't think it works otherwise. No. So you do need a hoe in there. And unlock that, we'll put that back in. So there we go. So you do need tools for a few different types of blocks. That's just going to use this water on occasion to sort of do things. It doesn't put a water source in there, it just hydrates everything when need be. We're going to input and output, and we're perfectly fine. So that can just do its thing. For the most part. Next, we've got the farm block, which I think is slightly changed when you have the Bushmaster core in it. So again, we'll get our generator. Whoops, that's what I wanted. Break you and place you and do this. You don't stack for some reason. That's really awkward. So you've got your power. You've got this. And that'll do its thing. Covers the following area. And we'll just put in some saplings, or in other cases, if you have a Bushmaster core, I'm pretty sure, like this here, it's the Bushmaster add-on, which is just, say, berries from the plants mod, or ore berries I think also working here. No, it's just cycling those for some reason. So those seem to work. Sticks and so on, you can make that. I think the base add-on, yeah, we'll cover those later. But yeah, you can typically put things like saplings in here, as well as obviously, in the case of the Bushmaster add-on, berries and other things there. There's a few mods obviously supported, if you saw at the beginning here. Actually, no, I actually have to go onto it. There we go. So you've got Biomes of Plenty, plants, all berries, and rustic and such. So we'll go with plants, because we've got it installed, and we'll go with just some berries from that mod. Let's see. We'll go blueberries, for example. I don't think you need the bush from it, I think. So let's see, we've got our power. We've got our input items. Output. Oh, hoe, I think, maybe? Or an axe, maybe? I'm not sure what's going on. Get an axe, because I'm pretty sure you might need it for the tree. So that's not doing anything. Get an axe. The Bushmaster add-on for the berries. What are you doing? Yeah, I never was able to get the farmer block working in some cases, but made like so. It probably does work, it's just I've struggled to get it working for a few times that I've attempted it, but yeah, it definitely obviously can do saplings and it can do berries and such, the add-on. But it's only when it has the add-on, I think, that I've usually struggled to get it working, so yeah. But it'll do pretty much exactly the same as the farmer block, only for other types of things. Instead, next, we obviously have a bunch of poison from the fatigue there, so that's annoying. We'll just sort that out in the meantime. Okay, time set, right. We'll just speed this up. I obviously haven't removed the mod yet, so I'll have to do something about that. But anyways. Alrighty then. Okay. Next, we have, I guess we can do a few other aspects of the generators. Oh, there's the tree farm. That's the one I was missing, actually. Okay, so we'll just place this one here then, because that'll work. There we go. So this is probably the one I want for this. So axe in there. Whoops, can I not? No, can I not put an axe in there? Okay, it might do things itself then. So yeah, we can lock it. We can do this and the other. Covers the following area. Done this before. Tells you if it's waiting for a tree or not. It'll fill up the rest of it, what it needs, and it's good to go. Then we get bone meal, which we'll actually see if we can put in here. We cannot, but we can obviously bone meal a tree in the meantime, and it'll do everything it needs. So it'll get obviously logs, saplings, and I think apples maybe? It'll obviously replant the saplings, or maybe cycle things. It obviously immediately tries to put in the place that it finds access to. So it's good, but it's obviously annoying if you're trying to get stuff and you're not wanting to just keep moving saplings in and out. So, yeah. I'd say that's everything for farming machines though, so we'll go to generators.